In this video we will talk about switch case statement, how to use switch case in case of the string variables. Now let's start coding. Let's make a variable pick. We use $sign to declare variable Everest. Then let's use the switch. Within the switch we will write pick. Now we will check the value of pick. Okay, case colon, then break, then within this echo br bold, okay, slash bold. Now I will do the copy paste of this case break. This is the first case, second, third, fourth, fifth. I think I have 5 values. Everest is here. Now let's copy this, Control X, Control V, Control X, Control V, Control X. Okay, fine. Now I am trying to check value of the pick. If it is equal to Everest, then I will display here first pick, highest pick, the highest pick. Then if the value of pick is Kanchenjunga, then this case will be evaluated second highest. Then if it is Lhotse, third highest. Then if it is Makalu, it is the fourth one, fourth highest peak of Nepal. Then similarly if it is the Cho-Oyu, then it is the fifth highest peak of Nepal. Okay, now in here what I am doing is I have declared a variable peak and assigned Everest to that variable. Now within the switch case I am trying to check what is the value of pick and which case will match that value. In this case the value for pick is Everest, so this case will match, so we should get highest peak. Okay, now let's save this. Now refresh this. Okay, highest peak. Now let's change this Everest to Lhotse. Save this. Now we should get third highest peak. Okay, why it is Lhotse? Oh, spelling is L-O-H. Lhotse, you can see this is the Lhotse spelling. Lo-yat. Oh no, Lhotse. This is the correct spelling. Okay, now let's refresh this. Now we can see the third. Similarly if I write Makalu here, then the fourth highest will be displayed. So in this way we can use switch case for string variables also, and strings are enclosed within the double quote. Now remember that when we have to make a comparison of one variable with more than 2 values except true and false, in that case it is suitable to use switch case. Remember that in the switch case it is not compulsory to use default, but we can use the default case also, like this default default. Then we can echo, okay, br, it is not a peak. And in case of the default we don't have to write the break because it's the last statement we have written. If it is default is written before some cases, in that case it is necessary to write break statement. Okay, here default is the last, so it is not necessary to write break. Now let's change this value to Makalu to something else. Annapurna, another peak of Nepal, wonderful peak, difficult to climb on. Okay, you can see it is not a peak. So in this way we can use switch case statement for the string variables. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.